A former janitor was able to turn his life around by going into the business of cosmetic manufacturing. The story of Henry and Apple Raka has inspired many aspiring entrepreneurs to continue working hard to achieve their dreams. The couple owns the C&H cosmetic industry that manufactures several varieties of beauty soap and other cosmetic products. Together, they employ over 600 workers worldwide. Born to an impoverished family, Henry was a former janitor of a pesticide company. He had big dreams and was able to finish a degree in education. While working as a sales agent, Henry met Apple, who was impressed with his perseverance and determination in life. When the couple finally got married, they immediately wanted to start a small business. Using the 5,000 pesos they got as a wedding gift, the couple began making their own whitening soap. The couple knew how important customer satisfaction was to their small business. So, they hired a chemist and used natural ingredients to make sure their beauty soaps were safe for all. After securing their permits, they were able to get approval from Food and Drugs Administration. Marketing their products was one hurdle that every budding entrepreneur must face. But Apple and Henry didn't give up, as they personally went to the streets to hand out flyers and samples. They made use of their marketing skills as sales agents to make deals with store owners. Through their continued hard work, the couple won the Department of Science and Technology, Calabar's Best Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program, or Set Up Adapter for Outstanding Innovation. This paved the way for couple's business to expand their regional channel distribution. They also started having distributors in over 15 countries worldwide. The C&H Cosmetic was also one of the many businesses that got affected by the pandemic. Apple shared that she knew they needed to change and adapt to the times because they have over 600 employees in need of a job. Thus, the couple decided to transform their business into an alcohol manufacturing business. If there was a piece of advice that the successful entrepreneurs would like to share, it is to live simply. Apple revealed they don't like spending on lavish and expensive things. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for updated videos.